This review video is for number 20 through 26. Number 20. Okay. If you'll look, you have some eyes. You got a square. That means you have two of those. I'm going to go ahead and distribute these. Please follow order of operation. Negative 2 times 5 is negative 10. Negative 2 times 6i is minus 12i. Plus, you have two sets of these. 2 plus 6i's, 2 plus 6i's. Make sure you take care of this first before you add or subtract. So I'm going to bring down negative 10 minus 12i plus 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 6i is plus 12i. 2 times 6i is 12i. 6i times 6i is plus 36i squared. Okay? 36i squared is the same thing as negative 36. Combine your like terms. I'm going to add all my numbers together. So you'll have negative 10 plus 4 minus 36, which comes out to be negative 42. Combine your i's together, and if you want to, you can mark these off, okay? So now you have negative 12i plus 12i, which cancels each other out, plus 12i. And that comes out to be plus 12i. And there's your final solution for number 20. Number 21. You have an imaginary part in your denominator. You have to rationalize it. Rationalize it means you're going to have to take the conjugate. So this would be negative 7 minus 2i. What you put in the denominator, you put in the numerator. If it helps you to put parentheses around each one of these terms, then it might be wise to each one of these products, okay? So, and the reason you will multiply times the conjugate is you will see how the middle term will cancel. So let's take care of the first part. Let me do this in green. 2 times negative 7 is negative 14. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4i. Second term, 2i times negative 7, negative 14i. 2i times negative 2i is minus 4i squared. Okay? Take care of your denominator. Negative 7 times negative 7, positive 49. Negative 7 times negative 2i is positive 14i. Middle term, 2i times negative 7 minus 14i. 2i times negative 2i is minus 4i squared. Okay? You cannot go and start canceling things here because there's a plus and a minus. However, negative 4 times negative 1 makes that a positive 4. Negative 4 times negative 1 makes this a positive 4. Okay? So you have negative 14 plus 4. That leaves you negative 10. Negative 4i minus 14i is negative 18i. Notice these guys will cancel to give you 0. So all you have is 49 plus 4, which is 53. Is there any number that goes into 10, 18, and 53? There's not. So this is your final answer for number 21. 22. Same thing, you have to rationalize your denominator. Okay? You're going to use the conjugate. So you're going to go 4 plus I, 4 plus I. Apologize, use the conjugate. You're not rationalizing because it's not a square root. So just forgive me for that. All right? There you go. Same concept. Draw your line for your numerator and your denominator. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times I is positive 2i. Negative 7i times 4 is negative 28i. Negative 7i times I is minus 7i squared. Now, according to number 21, you know the middle term is going to cancel, but I'll show you anyway. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times I is positive 4i. Negative I times 4, negative 4i. Negative I times I is minus I squared. These guys cancel. This becomes a positive 7 because negative 7 times negative 1. And this becomes a positive 1. Okay? So now you have 8 plus 7, which is 15. 2i minus 28i is minus 26i. 16 plus 1 is 17. There's not any number that goes into them to simplify. So there's your final answer for number 22. 23. I'm going to ask you guys to omit 23 and 24. We have not factored in here, so let's just go ahead to admit 23 and 24, okay? Let's go on to number 25, finding all the real roots. Now, if you look, your index here is a 6, so you're looking for 6 of a kind. What are some factors of 4,096? Well, if you don't know, start dividing it. I'm going to start dividing by 4, okay? You could divide by 2, but that'll take longer, so I'm going to try to do a bigger number. 4 and 1,024. I know there's a factors of 2 and 2, but I'm going to come back to it if I need to, so I'm going to try to stick with a bigger number. Divided by 4. 4 times 256 is 1,024. Divide by 4. That gives you 4 and 64. And this will give you 8 and 8. Okay, remember you're looking for 6 of a kind. 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Okay, before I break everything down to 2 by 2, let's see what you have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You needed 6 of a kind. So notice you couldn't do it, okay? So we're going to continue on. So factors of 4 is 2 and 2. Factors of 4 is 2 and 2. Factors of 4 is 2 and 2. And then you have this 2, 2 and 2, this 2, and 2 and 2. So you're looking for 6 of a kind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's your first one, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I must have miscounted. And there's your 6. Right? So 2 times 2, which comes out to be 4. Let me check my math. 8 and 8, 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Oh, there's that 2 and that 2 there, and that's why. All right. So it comes out to be a 4. Now, if I hadn't gone and done the 2, and we're just going to look at the green, notice you don't have 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Well, what is 2 times 2? That is 4. That's why the answer is 4. So just want to let you know. So if I had done 4 and kept going with a 4, it would have worked perfectly. Okay? And it's a plus and a minus 4. Now you're looking for 3 of a kind. You see how there's a negative? Bring out your negative. Okay? It's an odd number. Start dividing it by 3. So this is 3 and 243. 2 of a kind. 3 of a kind, my apologies. Divide by 3, 3 and 81. Divide by 3, 3 and 27, 3 and 9, 3 and 3. And you are looking for 3 of a kind. And I wanted to show you this. 1, 2, 3. Negative 3. 1, 2, 3. Nothing left underneath. So negative 3 times 3 is negative 9. And there's number 26. Good luck, and I will email this to you.